good.
Yeah?
It's a long time in the waiting, hasn't it? So it's good to finally see it out the shed. It's a big boat.
It's a big boat, looking amazing. The hull shapes at the front where
It's come out really well.
It's
and the
come
finish
out.
has come out really well.
Beautiful, yeah. Good one.
Stan's done a very good job. All the team here has done a very good job, and yeah, we're looking forward to seeing what it looks like once it's been popped. So hopefully we'll get the sides off today and then release the centre bit, and then we've got the crane coming tomorrow to release and flip the middle section. So yeah, exciting day.
Stuff. We're going to have to undo all these bolts in a minute to get all this off on the dig here. Obviously think about that, and then obviously cleaning up inside the shed as well then. Cool.
Proud moment, Dan.
Very good moment, very exciting. So we're about 11 months in now since I started the build, so it's really exciting. Very excited to get started on this DSA build and do something really special for the kids. So, you know, I'm buzzing at the minute. I'm ecstatic with this. It's a great feeling to see this coming out.
And
so,
it's
you know,
looking superb. All your months of hard work.
Months of fairing and screwing and laminating and all the graft that's gone into this to make this mold tool, with the support of Scott Bader, obviously, it's coming out absolutely perfect so far. So, you know, brilliant. Big up.
Stunning. Really exciting moment. Well done, Dan and team. So this is the mould just getting ready to come out of the plug here, and as soon as that's out we can start the hull infusions for the new DSA Dazcat 1500.